EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and I have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so real quick, on this trade I saw this strong market movement. It's kind of like a imbalance kind of stick, and I saw this strong, and let's bring up my rectangle tool so that we can draw from that 61.8 and that 50 zone. So if the market should come back to that point, I'm looking to take a trade at that area. So that will be my area of value, so below the 200 EMA, which means I'm looking for only sell trades. With this strong imbalance candlestick, this strong volatile candlestick, I'm looking to take my trade, like I said, on the 50 and the 61.8 zone. But if I see an entry on the 30.2, then it's fine. If I see a good engulfing candlestick at that point, then I'm most likely going to take a trade. As you can see, the market is rejecting at that 50 and that 60 zone, so let's wait for our entry. So going down to the 1 minute time frame to look for an entry, I couldn't find an entry at that point, so let's just play around till we see an entry. Alright, so the candlestick, oh, you can see the rejection at that point, a very strong rejection at that 61.8 and that 50 zone. Let's see what the market wants to do. Our job is not to fight the market, but to flow with the market. As you can see, price is clearly above the 200 EMA, and it smashed through this strong imbalance candlestick, and we saw this rejection. As you can see, it looks like this candlestick wants to engulf, but no, that is not an engulfing candlestick. It's almost engulfed, so let's wait. Oh my god, price is just being volatile at this point, so let's just wait and see what happens. Alright guys, so as you can see, there's a rejection. The market is just basically rejecting that area, so let's just wait for our entry. I'm just looking for a good entry. Alright guys, so let's jump in this trade. Like, if you watch my videos, you always know that I love to take my trades after an engulfing candlestick, but for this trade I saw a specific kind of market movement, kind of like a price action stuff, and I saw this movement and I was like, yeah, this is a good chance to take a trade, because I don't necessarily take all my trades based off an engulfing candlestick, but based on, it's kind of easy for me to explain an engulfing candlestick for you guys. That's why I said an engulfing candlestick. But if I see basic price action that I actually trust and believe in, I am definitely going to take the trade. So as you can see, we are live on this trade. I saw this price action candlestick, and yeah, this trade is set. Alright guys, so this trade number 2, let's see. I saw this engulfing candlestick at this point. It's still the same thing as the break and the break of the 200 EMA line, and the markets came back to retest, and we saw that engulfing candlestick. So I'm basically targeting a 1 to 1.5 and a 1 to 1 for a break even as usual, guys. So 1 to 1 for break even, a 1 to 1.5 for the whole trade target, or a 1 to 2. It depends on what you want, guys. So you can see the retest of the 200 EMA line and then engulfing candlestick, and then we got in the trade after the next candlestick, and we got in the trade. So as you can see, this trade went straight into profit. As you can see, oh wow, that's good. So the market went straight into profits, and like I said, at that point where the take profit is actually the main, like that's actually the point where I wanted to take my profit, because I was targeting the 38.2 area for my profits and my stops above that gray line. So yeah, it's easy, really easy. Guys, as you can see, a 1-to-1. Let's move our stops to break even on this trade. Horizontal ray, move your stop to break even. Yeah, so officially guys, this trade is a risk-free trade, because even if the price should retrace back to that point, we lost nothing on this trade and we won nothing on this trade. So our main target is a 1-to-1.5. Let's wait for the result of this trade. Alright, as you can see, the price went all the way up to almost a 3-to-1 on this trade, and guess what, we secured all this move. As you can see, my stops I'm still trailing my stops, and I finally closed the whole trade on a 1-to-2.9 or a 1-to-2.5, or 1-to-3, whichever one you want guys. But the thing is, this trade ended up being a win trade, so 2 wins. So engulfing, and we took the trade, and that is it. Really simple. So guys, very soon I'll be sending out signals to my free VIP Telegram group, and so that whenever I take a trade, I'll send it out to them so we can take the trade together. Just that I just want that Telegram group to hit 100 subscribers before I start sending out signals. So if you're interested, click the link in the description to join the free VIP Telegram group, just to help us hit 100 subscribers. Then I'll start sending out free signals like this. Whenever I'm taking a live trade like this, I'll be sending it straight up to you guys, so you guys can follow and catch some free, some free pips. All right guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy XO, and I'm signing out. Stay XO.